Wow, so good.
Version.
That's rice.
If you don't eat rice, it's not a meal.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, alles. What's up guys, we are out here in BGC to try some amazing Filipino food today. Actually our friend Spanky reached out to us and said, hey guys, if you got time, do you want some great Filipino food? So obviously we said yes, and I will add, we're extremely hungry today because we haven't eaten yet. You know, the last thing we've eaten was a Greek salad, and that was 5 o'clock yesterday. 5 o'clock, so we're really hungry. Okay.
And we know that Spanky knows all the good food spots, so we're really happy that we have good company.
So we are here at Sentro 1771, and we're going to find out more about the restaurant and hopefully dig into a lot of food. And right now we just got a delicious avocado shake. But let me just quickly introduce who we're here with. We have Spanky, you got to say hi.
Oh, hi.
Say hi.
Hi everyone, welcome. Mabuhay.
And here we have Angelica, and actually Angelica's parents started this restaurant 30 years ago, right?
Yes. Oh, well actually this Sentro 1771 started in 2002. So it was the very first Filipino restaurant to do modern Filipino cuisine. Because our first restaurant from 31 years ago was a French European restaurant called Chateau 1771. And then in 2002, my dad and his partner, Chef Vicky, they got the idea of doing a modern spin on Filipino cuisine using like French techniques, and because they've seen, like, you know, they really like to travel a lot, and they've seen how people in Europe are so proud of their cuisine and they present it a certain way. So we were the first to kind of do a spin on Sinigang. Have you tried Sinigang before? Yeah.
One of my absolute favorites.
Yeah, so we did like the dish that made Sentro 1771 famous was corned beef sinigang, because they took corned beef, which is like a British dish, and and our chef realized that they're both really sour, so it's like the sourness of the sinigang goes well with the corned beef.
All right. First up, we got a delicious avocado shake. Nelly, you want to give it a try?
It's so good. It's wow. I think this is the best avocado shake I ever had.
Yeah, it's pretty delicious.
It's really good.
We have a beverage here which is gulam.
Sagot gulam.
Sagot gulam, which is very sweet. Very good. It has like little tapioca balls in it.
I guess you have to let the ice melt a little bit, so
Yeah.
the syrup is still on top.
It's nice. It reminds me a little bit of pandan leaves as
Our
well.
#1 street food drink.
Oh.
Yeah, sagot gulam.
So we are getting started with a shrimp cracker salad, which is kind of a starter, I guess. Looks very refreshing, which is exactly what you need in hot weather like this. So good. Very refreshing, a little bit tangy. The shrimp flavor is really nice. So this is really satisfying to eat in a hot day like this. Very nice. So this is the rated GG dish. It's a Spanish mackerel. Cheers. Wow.
So GG is galunggong.
Galunggong.
That's the Filipino name. Then of course G. The other G is garlic. So it's got lots of garlic.
Very flavorful, savory, umami, very salty. Fish tastes so good.
Crispy on the outside.
I love the crispy texture. Nice and flaky on the inside. And then there's like garlic bits on the outside.
The garlic is.
It just gets an extra little bit of crunch. So good. Probably the best mackerel I've ever eaten.
Yeah.
So good. All right, we got a bunch of dishes out here on the plate. We have a crispy pata that looks incredible, just absolutely incredible. We have a milkfish, boneless bagus that is kind of wrapped together in this little beautiful package here. we have what seems to be kind of a zucchini or eggplant. I'm not quite sure what it is.
It's a leaf.
And these here are little lumpias, but I don't know what is inside. Let's try this malted. Like a hint of sweetness, maybe corned beef in there.
I think so.
It's really good.
Really good.
Speaking about corned beef, so we have here the Sinigang, famous Sinigang with corned beef. I don't know what it is about Sinigang. I just love it so much. It's so sour, tangy, hearty, meaty, so good. Oh, the fresh tomatoes inside there. Sinigang is very high up on my list of dishes that I want to prepare in our apartment. So then, next up, should we try the crispy pata? And oh my, this is really nice and crispy. Okay.
You know what it reminds me of? Schweinsstölze, the German version.
That's right.
Wow, that sounds so crispy.
Listen to this, guys. So good. If you don't eat rice, it's not a meal.
Yeah. Nice and crispy on the outside and flavorful and juicy in the inside. Yeah, it's a guilty pleasure.
And then we have a nice little piece of, what is this, like a tapa? Beautiful piece of beef. It's good, right? What always fascinates me is that whenever we go to eat Sinigang somewhere, every chef, every restaurant has their own kind of variation of Sinigang, and they're all very similar in a sense, but so different at the same time.
How's everything so far?
Delicious. Yeah. I really love the Sinigang. Ooh, what is this? It's like a breaded, deep-fried leaf, but it has like this hint of sweetness.
I don't know which leaf. Do you know which leaf this is?
Crispy kangkong. Delicious.
Kangkong is like more like watercress. So.
Yeah.
Alright. Next up we're going to try the milkfish. It was nicely packaged up and it has some veggies, I think, wrapped into it. Some spices. Wow. Oh.
That's the best part, right? The one with the with the belly fat.
So moist, so juicy, so flavorful. Nice and salty. Love it. Oh, so good. Right?
I feel like I'm done.
So here we have dessert. We have kind of a leche flan, but with a twist. There's salted egg on top and a Christmas cheese that's made especially for the Philippines. It's made in Holland. And you're just building like layers and layers of flavors and textures with this dessert. So I'm really anxious to see how that tastes.
And they're a huge fan of salted eggs, so that's good.
Yeah, and then we have a rice cake with really ripe mango on top. Alright guys, here we go, dessert time. I'm just going to take this whole piece of the leche flan. I'm going to have it in one go, mix all those flavors, enjoy it at one time. Wow. It is such a great match. The salted egg, it's just so salty on top of the leche flan. It balances out the sweetness and the richness. And then we have the rice cake with the mango. It looks so good. The rice cake is so nice, and the mango has this hint of sourness, this acidity that comes together with the richness of the rice cake. It's really great dessert, great dish in general.
So I was told I should put the salted egg and the cheese onto the leche flan. Wow. So I'm going to give it a try.
But you don't do hopia?
No. Kasi mahirap yung crust ng hopia. I mean, mas mahirap yung crust ng mooncake. But the ROI kasi mas matrabaho si si hopia.
Wow.
Walang grate.
That's good.
Coffee pie, it's like a signature dessert of the entire restaurant group. So it started with Chateau 1771. That's the place where it was first served. Yeah. And you know, since it's become so popular, we serve it in all of our restaurants. Yeah.
From the first time I had it years ago up to now, it's still a must. So actually, sometimes I go to the restaurants just for the coffee.
The bar has been set really high for this coffee cake. I'm gonna have a sip of coffee to prepare myself for the coffee cake. Oh, nice coffee. All right. So this is what it looks like. Wow.
Looks like there's a lot of caramel.
It's layered, so you got your caramel layered and cream layered. And the crust is really good. It's like a cookie crust.
So good. It's nice and cold. It's really good. The textures, the flavors. All right, Spanky, thank you. We will see you on Friday.
Yes.
Food was amazing.
Thank you for coming, and I gotta say, welcome home, guys.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Thank you,
sir.
Bye-bye. So we had another phenomenal Filipino food experience here at Sentro 1771. Actually, we might be coming back to this restaurant to do a full-on Filipino breakfast video. And on that topic, we want to ask you guys what kind of food topics you want to see in the next few weeks, because obviously we're doing our daily vlogs, but every now and then we just feel like doing a food vlog because that's like our OG style, I'd say. So actually there will be a poll popping up right here where you can pick between if we should do like another Binondo food tour, if we should do a Filipino breakfast video, and whatever else we can think of. And of course, let us know in the comments down below what kind of food videos we should make. This experience was amazing. Really good ingredients, locally sourced. It wasn't over flavored, it was really brought down to the base flavors of every single ingredient, just bringing it together to a symphony of flavor. Wow, that sounded good.
Wow, so good, Mike.
In any case, guys, if you did enjoy the video, please let us know in the comments down below and hit that thumbs up to let us know as well. And we have a goal on this channel. There's a new analytics on YouTube that tells you how many people have turned on notifications for your channel. And we are now at, I think it was like 20%, and I want to get that to like 50%. So if you haven't turned on the notifications, do it right now. And then also, there's a second measure that tells you how many people have notifications turned on their phone. Because if you didn't know, if you have the notifications turned on for the channel, but you didn't enable YouTube to show your notifications on your phone, you won't be notified. So be sure to do that right now. It's super easy. It takes you 2 minutes to do it. It helps us a ton. But for now, we're gonna say goodbye. We'll see you in the next vlog. Remember to stay awesome, be positive, and make it happen. Goodbye.